Alright, y'all, here we go. This is my update. Today's date is June 7th. Got a couple strawberries in there. I don't know what I planted, but it looks like it's arugula that's coming up. Go figure. Alright, over here we got broccoli. Broccoli. Some more arugula for some reason. That's Brussels sprouts. Right there is the lonely celery that grew. I just moved some tomatoes out. That is cherry tomatoes. These are beef tomatoes. These are San Marzanos. And these are more cherry tomatoes. This bed's onion and garlic. Over here we got some nasturtiums. Those are flowers to bring in the bees. This is potatoes. Blueberries didn't do anything yet. Over here we got corn. We got pumpkin. Back there's watermelon. Once the corn gets a little bit bigger, I'm gonna plant some beans so it can climb up the corn stalks. This back row is cucumbers. Right there is zucchini. Over there is some dill. That flower that's looking dead is marigolds. Some other flower, I really don't know what it is. That's the scarecrow I'm working on. Somebody help me name that guy. Over here we got some cilantro. Right here is parsley, oregano. Down here is basil. And yep, more strawberries. Over here we got even more cucumbers. Marigold over there. I don't know what that is. I didn't plant that. I'm not sure what it is. Over there is more zucchini. This bed is beets that's starting to come up. This is a turnip. Another marigold for the bees. And that, could barely see it, those are carrots. This bed is lettuce. That's freckled romaine lettuce. Leaf lettuce. That's gonna be iceberg right there. Some more leaf lettuce that's doing some weird stuff. And another head of lettuce. This bed is spinach right there. These guys are jalapeno peppers on this half. And this half is bell peppers. And then this guy is all strawberries. They're doing great right now. Yeah, look at those. Then if you go inside, there's even more. Let's see if we can get in there. Up. There they go. All up in there. A whole bunch in there. I'm gonna have to harvest these soon before the bugs get them. There we go.